So I'm sure you've seen this amazing shoe somewhere around your area before, and today I want to show you how to make this from A to Z. So relax, sit back and enjoy this video. Make sure you learn it for yourself. Whether you're a shoemaker or not, I'm sure you can do this. Whether you're a professional or not, you can do this and you can make money out of this. So all you have to do, get this off from the market, then get your pattern, your top pattern. Of course, this is the simplest shoe you can ever do. All right, so it's so simple. So relax, sit back. All what you need to do is just subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, like this video, drop a comment for me. If you have any question, I also entertain questions using the comment section. Make sure you drop your questions there, and if you wish to reach out to us on WhatsApp, you can reach out to us via our number on your screen. Okay, so once you get your pattern, you only have two materials to work with here. You have the light black material, which you'll be using as your padding. Of course, that is what I traced the pattern on it. Then you have the thick material, that is your main material. So we are using two black materials here. The difference is the thick and the light material. First you trace your pattern on the light material, okay, then you have to place it on the thick material before you now cut. All right, so you'll be using your gum to join them together. All right, that's what I'll be doing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please try as much as you can to subscribe to my channel. Now I'm trying to join these two materials together, the padding, which will give you the interior of the shoe, then the main material, which will be the exterior part of the shoe. So using my gum, I just rub your gum, light rubbing, just light rubbing. Okay, rub your gum on the light material, then allow for drying. You can use air dry or you can use sun drying, depending on what is available for you. Okay, rub your gum on the light material, which is the padding material, allow it for drying. Also rub it on the main material, because you'll be joining the two materials together. All right, so that is what I'm doing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. If you appreciate what I'm doing, you can also send me a super card. All right, so this is what I'm doing, trying to join the two materials together. So your light material and your thick black material, it's what will be giving you your top. All right, so remember, it's a slide, pumps. Of course, it is an Adidas. See, so it's an Adidas pumps. So shout out to Adidas company. All right, so I already placed my padding on the main material, like what you're seeing. Just apply pressure, hit it. All right, just for easy or a good adhesiveness. So once you apply your pressure, then you cut along the line, cut along your tracing line carefully and neatly. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Copy the link of my videos and share on your social media platforms, please. Okay, we are done with the top. All right, no, we are done with the first face of the top. Now we are going to add the white stripes on it. That's the pattern I'm cutting now. I'm using 1 centimeter here, don't forget 1 centimeter. Then you trace the 1 centimeter pattern on your white material. Remember, there are 3 white stripe material on it. So that is what I'm tracing. Trace carefully. That means you'll be tracing 3 pairs. There's 3 here, 3 at the left hand side. So trace it out and cut neatly. So watch out. Please ask your questions. Tell me how you do this particular palms in your workshop. All right, tell me. And if you've never done it before, you can try it out and show me what you have done using this number on your screen. You can chat me up and show me the picture of what you've done via this video. All right, that is my WhatsApp number. tell me how much do have you ever bought this type of pumps on the market before? Tell me how much you bought it, and you tell me also uh, yeah, whether you've seen someone using these pumps before, this type of pumps before around your area. I know it's a common shoe, people love using it, but the difference here is the sole. Yeah, the sole we use here is more, you know, more stronger compared to the one they sell in the market, right? So it is quality over quantity here. So now I'm teaching you how to do this. You're not paying me, remember, it's a free lesson, or it's a free video for you. So all you have to do for me, just like my video, drop a comment for me, tell me what you feel about this video, tell me if you've ever worn something like this before, you've seen people wear it around your area. All you have to do, just comment your area and comment how much, if you've ever bought it before, how much did you get the palms. All right, so there's a major difference here from what you have in the market. All right, the difference is that what we have in the market, the soles are always rubber sole, like sorry to say abamate. Yeah, so this particular sole I'm using, it's not, this is a quality sole, of course it is. Then there's one common thing that you notice about this shoe. You see that the sole normally breaks. Yes, at the bottom you see the sole normally break into two equal half. It's a challenge. And you also see that the shoe, the top always peel out. For people that are conversant with this particular shoe, I'm sure you've had an experience with this shoe before, this type of shoe before. So tell me your experience, share with me what you have experienced. Is it the sole breaking or the top coming out? So that is why I'm using this top gun. All right, so once you're done with your top, yeah, you just fix it, because all you have to do, you don't need a shoe last here, because the top already, you cut it to fit in the size that you're making. Here we are making size 43, so we have the top already for size 43. So once you're done making or yeah making your top, all you have to do, use your top bond, that's your glue, then you place it. There is a demarcation already for your top, so carefully place it, and you sure that your shoe is ready. Look at what we have here. I'm sure you love to have this for yourself. If you want this done for you, whatever size, from size 40, 39 down to 46 is available. Just reach out to us using our number +2349035539885. It's on your screen already. Just tell me what you feel about this video, and if you are happy or you love what I just taught you, just give me a like, and also drop a comment for me. Tell me your experience with this Adidas shoe. All right, thanks for watching. God bless you. If you want to have one for yourself, call the number on your screen. All right, so bye for now. God bless you. Thanks for watching.